Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. So right now I'm about to go ahead to get a engine hoist, and then we're going to be finally moving the engine for the BMW since I finally have a truck to do it. If you guys are new viewers to the channel, be sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So my buddy let me borrow his engine hoist. This is a 400 horsepower Honda Civic. Big old turbo, VTEC. Last I checked, like, his motor is blown, so to see it in its condition right now, this is insane. Guys, this is Steven. He's the owner. He built this. Yeah, he can't even find his keys, but at least he built it, though, you know. They're in the ignition?
They're in the ignition, bro.
You want me to put my foot on the clutch?
No.
Well, it was a 400 horsepower Honda Civic, guys. It's currently not starting.
I don't know why I got a dead battery.
Oh, that's a Optima too. That's a $300 battery. Oh, it's smoking, dude. Ah, it's turbo smoke. Right here.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, this is gonna be like a little blooper, I guess. Now I was actually like really excited. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Nah, it's cool.
I'm disappointed more than a little way.
All right. Hey guys, he said he'll have it running by the time I get back in 3 months.
Give me a jump, I can have it running right now.
Okay, I got jumper cables. I don't have them that long though. That's trying.
I don't know why that shit started smoking over there like that though.
I think turbos smoke when they start, don't they?
Didn't get to start. That was weird.
Yeah.
I drove it for them.
Is your fuel pump engaging? Do you hear it? All right. Yeah. Listen, I wasn't listening.
My keys are up. My fuel pump's on its own relay.
Oh. More to come, guys. Okay, guys, so we are finally moving the BMW's new motor. Got this chain that we're hooking up, and we're gonna put it on this engine hoist and then put it in the back of my truck. So it'll be good. We're also gonna move the transmission today. So that's what's going on. We're just hooking it up. Oh, it is? Well, that's all we got.
Yeah, we got enough room to put a transmission though.
Okay.
Oh no, we can go that way some more. Hold on. Too easy.
Too easy.
Alright, let me get up.
Hey, Jonathan, you ready to put this in the BMW, bro?
Nah, it's not gonna work.
No?
Put it in the 6 cylinder BMW.
Okay, yeah. We're gonna take the truck engine out of the truck and put it in the BMW instead. Also, guys, look, he blew his transmission, LOL.
Fucking nut, man.
Hey, it's no nut November, bro. We only using bolts.
But we need to pull in and
That's true.
we need nuts too.
Are you nuts? So we got everything loaded up, guys. Super excited. We got this engine, transmission, engine hoist, and another surprise in the back. I'm not gonna talk about that yet though. This truck's getting some work in. Hell yeah. We got the truck working today. That sexy beast. It's handling the work just fine too. Engine looks so good, dude.
It's like the people that built it knew what they were doing.
Oh yeah.
Kinda.
Just a little bit.
50-50.
Starter's beautiful.
Look at that. If I can pick it up perfectly centered, we're good.
That's what I'm saying.
One of the bolts is loose on the fucking engine stand.
Is it?
It fucking bends and it fucking flips.
Yo.
Just because he forgot to tighten one bolt.
Yo. That would like, oh man. That would, I would be so depressed, dude. I would be
The whole is like, you'd literally have to tell me, like, dude, you owe me an LS motor because your engine always failed.
I need a 600 horsepower LS motor pronto.
All motor.
All motor, yeah. Nah, this is probably gonna do like 500. Easy 500. I want to say 600, not motor.
With some turbo goodies, it'll make 1,000.
Oh, easy, dude. 1,000 easy. It's gonna be able to hold 30 pounds boost. First thing that's going out is a fuel pump.
Alright, just like that. I got it to be.
Yeah, it would be just our luck, homie. If
Don't push it.
I was just holding it. You put the pin on the wrong side and it flips.
Flips the other way?
Yeah. So I just got back from moving the engine, and let me tell you guys, it was way easier than I thought it would be, especially since we had the engine hoist. So that really made it way easier. Last time we didn't have the engine hoist, so me and Jonathan had to pick up the engine by our hands and pretty much just try to get it into a U-Haul truck from an angle, and it was just very complicated and it's pretty hard, to be honest. But now that the engine's fully built and the transmission is fully built and assembled, we are ready to put it into the BMW. So that's why we moved the engine. The BMW is now at the shop, so we'll be able to put the engine into the BMW here soon. But yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really excited. I want to thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys are new viewers out there, be sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and comment down below what you guys want to see in future videos. I'm Cameron. That was me moving an engine. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.